Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. In this video I'm going to talk about the trades that I have taken today. Okay, so let's get started with New Zealand USD. No, it's a trade that I have placed on 18th of November, and we are going to talk about that the 2 days were off for the trading market, so we are going to talk from 21st of November 2016. Okay, Great Britain Pound USD, guys, it was a buy position and I have taken a $920 on the trade. So it was a quite very simple trade. You can clearly look here. It was closed above the hourly candle was closed above the dotted blue line, and I have placed the buy order, and it has went in my way and $920 on the trade. You can see a long bullish candle, and it decided to go up. And also on that time, it was changing its stocks monitor was, and it was just giving me a signal that the market can change its next behavior. Okay, USD CHF buy position, and it was a very in a very small trade, and I just entered from here to here. Just it was a 25 $5500 or $55 profit. And okay, one negative trade today. So just Euro USD has made a confusion today, so I'm just going to be to make you alert on this trade. So guys, basically that when this arrow appears and you have a very good signal from the monitor, this is the way to use this trading system, because where it will lag, then you will have to follow this rule. Okay guys, now look, the arrow was appeared and I have basically entered into a two trades. One that's a sell position right now, you can see on a 200 minus dollar profit, and I think I have one more position with profit of $808. Okay, so how this confusion arises? So guys, you can see the arrow was appeared. I have taken a trade on that time, and it has given me $808 on Euro USD. But the problem is happened, you can see the monitor is also directed downward, and this is called doji. This doji means in real sense it means that if this doji appeared after a bullish trend, then it can take the market down like this. Look, the prior trend before this is bullish, and this doji appeared, it should go down. But I have basically closed the trade because I'm just going to confirm that either this doji is going to change the trend or not, because in other sense we can also say that this candle represents indecision, that the market is failed to decide something. So mostly there are 80% chances when the doji appeared after a particular trend, it takes the market to the other direction. But here you can see after the doji, it looks like that this candle is making a bullish pattern. So basically I'm just trying to wait, and overall I'm bearish on Euro USD. And for example, let's say if it will come up here or it enters here, and again the expectation for Euro USD is down according to my prediction, and it should go down in the later hours. So that was a trade that I had just to put myself on a very safe side, so I have closed it at a minus $200. Okay, the next trade, sell position on New Zealand USD. Okay guys, one more thing, the same thing happened here. And why these things happens? Because this is called the real market, and sometimes the market movers try to dodge it. So basically it entered the red zone, and after that you can clearly see that it was going down. And I understood, because I'm practicing with this system from a very long time, and I was sure that it will go down, and I have placed my sell order, and I have quickly taken my profit. And but on this candle I just realized that it is not going more down. What's going on? It seems like something that it is pushing, that there is something that is not letting the market to go more down. Otherwise you can see here, after touching the red zone, the market was way down, but here it was feeling a kind of pressure. So I just ended up my trade on a sell position near New Zealand USD on a very earlier basis, and I have just collected my $512 profit, because it seems that today the market is far tricky. Okay, one more thing guys, I'm just giving you a signal that I'm still bearish on New Zealand USD. And the maximum, if we just talk about the maximum point of view, maximum bullish trend, so it can maximum go up to here, then it should go down after this. So do not worry about it, and I do not suggest any kind of bullish trades on New Zealand USD, because that would be against the trend, and you should focus the trend, and you should be bearish on New Zealand USD. And also you can see the market is already in the red zone, but it was just deceived by the market movers, and hopefully it will down after some hours, or a couple of hours, or maybe in the next hour. Okay, USD CHF. Okay, guys, there is a lot of deception today in the market, and I'm just going to talk about this because the new traders does not know about this deception. Okay, guys, look, $689 on USD CHF, and look, it was making a bullish pattern, and I just got a signal from the monitor to buy that pair, and I just entered into the position. Guys, still you can see that it hasn't crossed the boundary of the dotted blue middle line. It is just below that. But as I received the signal and the dots were changing, I just take a chance into the buy condition, because overall, guys, you can clearly look here. This is going in a very bullish trend. So basically I have taken the trade according to this. And one more thing, guys, I'm just going to talk about this. Look at here, that was the previous rejection for the market. So I just looked at this data that before this the market was bounced back from this level, and I was just expecting that somewhere here the market can go a bit up, and that was the reason I have taken the trade, because that was the first level and the second level was working here. So I have took a chance on the first level, but it still seems that it is, even it is USD CHF is very positive, but still it is not showing any kind of a very good momentum today. And one more thing, guys, because you know that my today video is very different from the all others that I have posted. It is due to only this reason also, that it's first of all, the market movers are teasing the market today. Number two, the Mondays are normally 80% slow for the market, and we can see some these types of unpredictable moments that are really hard to understand. So don't worry about it. From tomorrow the market will be quite smooth, and you will be able to trade wisely. And I suggest the traders who are beginners, they should not use high lot size, and they should not do over trading on Mondays especially, because you can stuck in between the trades. And you know that I am still professional in this field, but I was myself confused on the Euro USD trade today. Anyways, going to the next point, USD Canadian dollar here. Okay, look, again a very good deception. I have collected my profit on the right time, because I received that signal arrow, and some sort of dots were changing on that time, and the candle was just like here, like this. It was making a clear bullish pattern, and I just entered into the trade, and I closed my trade. But according to the expectation, this should be not be the behavior of the market. Why it's coming again a bit down? So there are two reasons that I have already told you about the market movers, that they are trying to deceive the market today. So guys, either from the next candle, or either from the same candle, or in either from the next couple of candle, uh, it's just deceiving us here. Maybe it can make a strong bullish candle. It will arise like this. So possibly there are chances that USD can go up like a very good bullish candle, like it happened previously. So I just want you to do not take any kind of bullish trade right now. Yes, it's going back from the red zone, and technically and according to the trading system, I have already explained you that when it comes up in the red zone, it should move back up. But today you need to be little safe, because the market is not responding properly. So hopefully it will be fine from tomorrow. As you know that we are just trading with this trading system, and we are making profits from weeks, but today it's a very tricky day. Anyways, guys, the next trade, $808 on your Euro USD sell position, and I'm again repeating, guys, you should keep your eye on Euro USD. It has a bearish prediction from my side. I'm not bullish on Euro USD, and I'm very hopeful that it will go down. It's just trying to confuse you on by making a bullish pattern here. So definitely, if I will take the next trade, then I will definitely go for a bearish trade on Euro USD. So be careful with this. So we had one losing trade today, and the rest you can see that all the trades have worked in our way, and that was the previous data for 18. We are not going to talk about it, and the 21 data is in front of your eyes, and we are again successful even with the very tricky market today, and it was a very bad market behavior. Anyways, guys, this trading system is quite easy, as I have already explained you. When the market comes up in the upper red zone, you need to sell the pair. When it comes up in the lower red zone, you need to buy the pair. And when you get a strong signal like this, and the market is already in the red zones, you can trust these signals and look at the direction of the price action monitor. It gives you signals like red for sell and green for buy, and this is a very strong trading system. And one more thing, guys, on Great Britain Pound USD, you can clearly see it's just trying to be maybe it can go and have a break in the red zone, and after that we can see also some kind of bearish opportunities on Great Britain pound USD. But guys, tricky day again. Trade safely, and you need to be very careful today. Anyways guys, I have already explained you about the trading system, and one more thing left about the trading system is that for new people who have just watching my channel, when it closes above the dotted blue line, I'm talking about the hourly candle. When it closes above the dotted blue line, then you need to buy the pair more, and when it closes below the dotted blue line, then according to the trading system you need to sell the pair more. Like it was down and it was closed here, the next candles were down. Anyways guys, I hope I have made you clear about this, and hopefully you will be able to trade wisely now. And guys, if you want to get this trading system, then please do send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and if you have any kind of problem, then do contact me. Yes, one more thing, I have also a live coaching option, and also I have prepared my forex coaching video lessons. These are consist of 8 videos. And guys, if you want to subscribe to the signal service that I send on a daily basis, then for this also you need to email on my email info@200forexpips.com. Thank you for watching the video.